Sometimes it's hard to know for sure if a man is thinking about you and that he misses you while you're not around. If he doesn't already, you might wonder what you can do to make him miss you. If you want a positive response from a guy, you must approach this in the right way. In this video, we will reveal 10 strategies you may apply to make your man long for you again and again. At the end of this video, you'll understand how missing someone may deepen your feelings for them and strengthen your bond. Let's get straight into it. Number 1. Let him take the initiative. He will have to call you if you don't initiate contact first. More importantly, you will be in his thoughts. Also, when it comes to dating, guys enjoy the thrill of the chase. The no contact rule is one of the most effective methods for winning back an ex or finding a new love interest. It's at this point that you decide to end all communication with your ex in the hopes of rekindling their desire for you. You can make the guy you like miss you and fall for you by customizing this tool to your present situation. The results of allowing him to seek you independently will be doable. If he's serious about wanting to be in a relationship with you, he'll make it clear. You'll be helping him figure out what he wants. And that's a big deal. You can tell he's serious about you if he keeps making dates with you and trying to get in touch with you. Number 2. Make him feel like he can't live without you. It's possible that he won't immediately assume that he wants a committed relationship with you. It would be best if you convinced him to invest. And the easiest way to accomplish so is to prove to him how much better his life is now that you're a part of it. You want reassurance to feel content in your relationship. And you also want to make sure that your love stories go somewhere interesting. This is why it can seem like a viable option to make him miss you. His sentiments for you are reciprocated, and you can increase your confidence in them by a factor of 10. Number 3. Stop calling or texting him. He won't have a chance to miss you if you keep phoning and texting him non-stop. Wait for him to call or text as you take a break from your daily phone use. He'll start to wonder why you stopped calling or texting, making him miss you and question why you stopped. When you're not speaking with him, go about your daily activities. Attend class or work. Indulge in leisure activities or watch TV. Make an effort to avoid looking at your phone so that you won't be tempted to reply if he texts or calls. Number 4. Limit social media posts. If you're someone who regularly posts about what they're doing on social media, you might want to cut back. Sharing updates about your life on social media makes it simple for friends and family to keep in touch and ensures they're never lonely. Your partner will start to get worried that he won't know what's going on in your life if you gradually reduce the number of updates you give him. You should also limit your online interaction with your guy. Avoid contacting him on social media while you're apart. When he starts missing you, he'll probably want to hear from you and even try to get in touch. Number 5. Find a signature scent. Choose a light fragrance you can wear whenever you're in his presence. This scent will remind him of you and will fill him with longing for you all over again. He'll miss you and want to smell your signature fragrance even more when you're apart. It's essential not to overdo it with a perfume or cologne, as an intense aroma can be off-putting to a potential partner. Put on just enough so it can be detected when extremely close to the body. To make an impression on him by smell, you should always use the same fragrance on his presence. Also helpful in making an ex-boyfriend long for you. He will immediately remember your time with him if you show up wearing your old signature smell. Number 6. Leave things in his car or at his house. Leave your sunglasses and scarf at his place if you're going on a sleepover. A little hair clip in his pocket will suffice. It's the oddball details like these that keep men intrigued. One surefire way to make a man miss you is to make him constantly reminisce about the things you own. But you must ensure that he does not figure out your trick. Please don't make it a habit of doing this, or he might get over the cuteness of all of it and start seeing you as careless. Number 7. Create space between you and him. Being constantly close by ensures that your man never has to long for your company. Putting some distance between the two of you is a surefire technique to make him miss you. You need to start planning to spend time apart from him if you spend the entire weekend with him. Rather than going out with your partner on a Friday night, spend the evening doing something you enjoy, on your own, or with your friends. If you do this frequently, he may like the time alone at first, but eventually he will miss having you in his arms. Number 8. Make yourself stick out in his mind. Be the one who actively listens and comprehends the other person if you want this guy to notice you and keep you in his thoughts. Try to set yourself apart by being original. Of course, your physical appearance and health are essential, but I mean more than that. Ideally, the emotional component would take up the bulk of your attention. When you're together, put in the effort to create meaningful memories that will last a lifetime. A man is more attracted to a woman when he feels like he can be around her emotionally and physically. Number 9. Take things slowly. Slowing things down can be a terrific approach to keep things exciting in a relationship, whether you're already in one or trying to get in one. Put your foot on the brake, take a step back, let him feel the longing for you. One of the secrets to making him miss you is to exert control over the rate at which things progress in the relationship, as well as the frequency with which you engage in sexual activity. Once more, he does not need to be without something constantly close at hand. It's time to leave the bedroom and make yourself less available to your partner. You want him just as much as he likes you, that is certain. This one is going to put you to the test, but you have to keep going. You'll have to keep going if you want him to miss you altogether. Number 10. Finally, don't leave it all on the table. If you want your guy to miss you, you must keep some of your time and attention to yourself. You don't need to divulge all of your most intimate and well-guarded secrets to him. Although he has questions, there is no pressure for you to reveal everything about yourself on the first date or the 10th. When the time comes, he will eventually inquire. You can go at your own pace and disclose each facet of your brilliance on morsel at the time. Allow him to ask his questions, provide entertaining answers, and maybe even tease some information out of him. But don't give too much away. It takes a lot of work to keep a little bit of intrigue going in the connection that you have. There are moments when males actively seek to be pursued. One approach to help you achieve this goal is to focus on making him miss you. It is not a form of manipulation nor a form of teasing. Instead, it is only something you may do to assist in keeping your man wanting more. We will have to wrap it up here, guys. If you loved this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you get updates when we post our videos.